Hello everyone, welcome to the channel GK on Screen. This channel is all about news-based GK questions wherein we take a certain news, try to find out keywords in that news and explore those keywords in order to get GK questions that might come in any competitive examinations that have the probability to be in the competitive examinations that you guys are looking forward in your future. So let's get started. So today, the news that I have taken relates to these four keywords or four sessions that is known as Man Ki Baat, Prasar Bharati, All India Radio, and Doordarshan. So the news is taken from InShort's website, wherein the Prime Minister Narendra Modi 2 days ago on 25th of October 2020 addressed the nation through the Man Ki Baat program. We talked about the famous events of 31st of October and many other things in that. So the keywords that I have taken is Man Ki Baat program and 31st of October. In this news, he talked about former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi just to remember her assassination date. So 31st of October is the date when Indira Gandhi got assassinated. But now let's stick to the keywords. Man Ki Baat. So you might be aware that Man Ki Baat is an Indian radio program which is hosted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But the questions that can be asked from this particular topic are visible on your screen. So what are all communication channels which releases Man Ki Baat program? So answer is All India Radio, DD National and DD News. So which all channels releases Man Ki Baat program? Answer is All India Radio, DD National and DD News. When was the first episode of Man Ki Baat program got released? The answer is 3rd of October 2014. 2014 is the year when Prime Minister Narendra Modi became Prime Minister of India for the first time. So Man Ki Baat first episode got released on 3rd of October 2014. What was the episode number which was released on 25th of October 2020? So the edition was 70th. So 70th episodes or 70 episodes have been released so far of Man Ki Baat program. Now moving further, Man Ki Baat program got released on AIR, DD National. We all are aware of this, but you might be amazed to know this thing that Air India, All India Radio and Doordarshan both are the child agencies of Prasar Bharati. So Prasar Bharati is the parent agency. It is the India's public service broadcaster and All India Radio and Doordarshan are its child agencies. So where are the headquarters of all these three agencies? This is the question that might come in the examination. Where are the headquarters of Prasar Bharati, Doordarshan or All India Radio? The answer is New Delhi. Who is the current CEO of Prasar Bharati? This is a common question which can be asked in any of the examination, whether it be IAS, PCS or Bank PO and other examinations. Who is the current CEO of Prasar Bharati? The answer is Shashi Shekhar Vempati. All India Radio is also known as, you are well aware of this answer, I need not to call it. The answer is Akashvani. Since 1957, All India Radio is also known as Akashvani. Now, other two questions that can be asked from this similar topic is, what is the motto of All India Radio? So the answer is Bahujan Hitai, Bahujan Sukhai. Similarly to that, what is the motto of Doordarshan? The answer is Satyam Shivam Sundaram. So these are certain questions which might be asked in the examinations relating to these three agencies: current CEO of Prasar Bharati, All India Radio other name, and the motto of All India Radio and Doordarshan. Now moving further, as I have said, we have taken two keywords. First is Man Ki Baat, that is done. Now coming to the second keyword, what is 31st October famous for in Indian history? So PM Narendra Modi has talked about this date specifically because we celebrate this date as National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas, just to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So 31st of October is also known as National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and Home Minister of Independent India? So the answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So in order to remember this, just recall it once. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of Independent India? The answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Relating to this only, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the Statue of Unity, that is the world's tallest statue, with a height of 182 meters, is situated at what place? So, Statue of Unity, world's tallest statue, height 182 meters, is situated at what place? So the answer is Sardar Sarovar Dam, Statue of Unity Road, Kevadia district, Gujarat. So it is situated over Sardar Sarovar Dam and the district is Kevadia, Gujarat. Now, on the 31st of October, the first Lady Prime Minister of India, that is late Srimati Indira Gandhi ji, the first Lady Prime Minister of India got assassinated by her Sikh bodyguards in 1984. That is why also 31st of October is remembered in the Indian history. The first Lady Prime Minister of India, answer is late Srimati Indira Gandhi, and she got assassinated in her 1984 by her Sikh bodyguards. So thank you so much guys, and do subscribe, share and like for more such videos.